Okay, we're gonna deep fry some chicken here. So I'm gonna show you what seasoning I use. I use the Hamburger Deluxe. I use the garlic salt with parsley. And you got your Tony's. And I also put a little spice to it. Use a little red pepper. So the only thing you do, you just sprinkle a little red pepper on there. Put too much of that, just give it a little spice. All right, that's good right there. A little Hamburger Deluxe. Just some good seasoning. As you can see, the season in this. So you got your salt, and you got spices, garlic, onion. This is some good season here. It don't make stuff too salty. It just gives it that little flavor. And any of these spices and stuff you want to get, you can look in the description below. Our garlic salt. My Tony's. As you see, I don't measure anything. I'm from the country. We know when to stop. I know a lot of people say put a teaspoon of this and a teaspoon of that. And we've been cooking, I've been cooking since I was a little boy. We know how to cook. So you can season it to your flavor, but that's all the season. I'm gonna zoom in so you can look at it. Then what you wanna do, just take your flour. I just put it on there. I don't dump it in none of that milk and all that stuff. I like mine lightly breaded. I don't like it thick like that Church's chicken. I don't mess with that too much. It's some good chicken, but it's too much breading for me. I just want it layered in a little breading. Just make sure it's covered. And that's it. You see the drumsticks? And if you want to dip it in some milk and all that other stuff and get it thick, you can. But I like mine lightly breaded so I can eat it as a sandwich. A chicken sandwich. The original chicken sandwich. All right, we're going to put it on in a fryer. We're going to set it at 350 degrees, and we're going to cook it about 12 to 15 minutes. About 12 to 15 minutes. And you want that internal temperature about 165, 170 degrees internal temperature. Okay, let's start frying this chicken here. Make sure it's all covered up. We're gonna cook it for about 15 minutes. About 15 minutes. We're gonna come back and take it out and see what we got here in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer. Set my timer here. Cook timer. 15 minutes, hit start. Been cooking it for about 5 minutes now. So I'm just checking it out, see what it looked like. So that's 5 minutes. So we got another 10 minutes. Okay, we got 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna take our chicken out. It's been 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So let me clear this down here. Okay, I'm taking my chicken out here. Okay, we're gonna zoom in on this perfectly fried chicken. Like I said, you cook it at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Ooh, it's hot. So I'm gonna make me a chicken sandwich, the original chicken sandwich. So let me put this sandwich together. We're gonna test it. Man, this is right out the grease. Kind of hot. You see this chicken? I'm gonna break a piece open. Man, look at that. All that smoke. Ooh. We'll let it cool down a minute before I make that chicken sandwich. Let me try this piece anyway. Oh, that mercy. Now that's good. All right, let's get ready to try some of this chicken, the original chicken sandwich. I'm gonna show you how I do it. As you can see, we put this on we call it a piece of light bread. You get your tabasco or hot sauce. Get it all sprinkled up. That's how we eat our chicken sandwich here. Ooh, that Tabasco went down my throat. Now that's some meat. Don't do this at home. Let it cool down. I've been doing this forever, so it ain't gonna bother me. So let your chicken cool down before you start eating. You see all that smoke? Get you some Tabasco sauce and ketchup. This is the original chicken sandwich. Man, it's good. Like I said, don't try this at home. Let it cool down. But I'm good. Perfect season. We need to add nothing else to it. That's how you eat chicken. If your bone ain't looking like that, you didn't eat the chicken right. Shouldn't be no meat on this bone. Should be clean. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.